Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore logical operators in Python. So let's get started. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Python supports three logical operators: AND, OR, and NOT. These operators are essential for making decisions in your code. Now let's dive into each one. The first one is AND operator. It returns true if both operands are true. Let's see it in action with an example. Logical AND operators. Enter. We are creating variable A and we'll assign true, and then we create another variable B and we'll assign false to it. And here we create result and we want to perform logical AND operation between the variable A and B. Now we are going to print the result. And operator and result. Let's run it and the result is false. In AND operation, if one of the variable is false, then the result will be false. Now let's move to the OR operator. The OR operator returns true if at least one of the operands is true. Let's see its example. Has logical OR operator. We're going to create two variables, C and D. So C we will assign true, and for D variable we'll assign false. So D equals false. We're going to create another variable result and we will use logical OR operation between C and D, C or D. Now we will print OR operator. My result, and then we run the code. It will give true. In the OR operation, if one of the input is true, then the result is true. The last one is NOT operator. The NOT operator is used to invert the value of the operand. If the operand is true, NOT returns false, and vice versa. Let's see an example. Has logical NOT operator. Let's create variable A and assign true. We'll create another variable B and we'll assign false to it. Another variable result. Then we apply NOT operator to variable A, and then we are going to print the result. In NOT operator, we only use the one operand. Result, and then we run the command. Not A, it was true earlier and now it's false. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If my videos are helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.